Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to use Poe AI for script writing. So first is open the Poe AI into your device. And now if you haven't logged in, it will prompt you to log in. So just simply log in into an account. So now from here right away, you should be able to start a new chat. So first, just simply tell Poe that I want you to help me with my script writing. And I'll just simply send it. And after that, it will ask you on what are the ideas or characters. So first, I will provide the title. So the title of my script writing is about how to create YouTube videos. And now just simply select send so you could give Poe an idea. And right away, he should make a draft. And now here we have a draft. And you could just simply go ahead and change it based on your prompt. So let's say I want the YouTube video to have three parts. So guys, just simply write, I want an introduction, body, and conclusion in order for it to make it more specific. And now it will give you a draft of a script. And from here, you could just simply use this draft and, of course, just simply change it based on your own preferences or your own style of saying it. And pretty much, Poe AI will help you have a template for you to start with. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you understand more. And thanks for watching. See ya.